I'm Jovi. I got really lucky the other day. I went shopping and I found a container full of gold ornaments for $4. Well, for $4, I couldn't really pass it up. So I really like this one with the glitter on it, so I'm going to leave this one alone. I also really like this one. It just has like gold fleck on it. I'm gonna leave that alone. But there was also this type, and it was all gold, and I didn't really like it. So I decided I would add pink to it because my dining room is pink and I really want to deck out my dining room this year. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm doing a different theme on my Christmas tree this year. So I'm going to be going with red, black, and gold, just for something totally different. So, more gold ornaments. They were gold. I added black to them, and I'll show you how I did that. These aren't quite done yet. I'm going to add some other stuff. So I hope you will enjoy watching my how-to videos on how to change up your ornaments. Even if you have old ones that maybe you don't want to use that color anymore, all you have to do is paint them.
Okay, let's get started. Choose your paint color. Make sure you shake up your paint. I just pour the paint right onto the ornament. I only put a little bit. Then I gently spread the paint over the edges of the ornament. You can see because I'm not pressing hard, it's not going down into the crevices of the ornament. While these dry, we'll move on over to our other ornaments that I would like to apply pink to. On both ornaments, I'm simply using an acrylic craft paint. Like the other one, I'm applying the paint directly to the ornament. I know that that's very unconventional, and that's certainly not something that you have to do. This paint is flat, so later on in this video, I'm going to put a clear gloss over it to bring the shine out. Now that the paint's dry, we're going to go ahead and string our ornaments. I'm using a suede rope for the steampunk ornaments, and then I'm just using satin ribbon for the pink ones. Once that's done, I'm going to begin applying our glossy clear coat. I use a foam brush for application, but any brush would work fine. I've decided to add some pink glitter to these just to give them a little extra sparkle, so I have some ultra fine glitter that I'm going to use. I am using the same brush to apply my clear coat and my glitter. I'm just hanging them to dry now. Now it's time to hot glue these pretty gold holly leaves.
Hello friends, so I have finished up the pink Christmas balls that I'm going to use in my dining room, and I absolutely love them. They turned out beautifully. As you can see in the video, I used a shiny coating over the pink, which was flat because it was a craft paint, and then I hot glued this pretty little poinsettia leaves. Isn't it just beautiful? I absolutely love it. So I will be hanging these, I think, on my chandelier, and I will be doing a tutorial on how to deck out a chandelier for Christmas time, the holidays.
Okay, now it's time to add some glitter to our steampunk ornaments. I'm choosing gold glitter and kind of a charcoal colored glitter. It is also an ultra fine glitter. Just like before, I'm using the same brush to put on my shiny clear coat and also to apply my glitter. I'm not contaminating the bottle, so it's not a problem. You can see that I poured some of the clear coat into a tiny bowl. So now we're going to choose some pieces that we want to attach to our steampunk ornaments. I have some clocks, anchors, and keys, so we will use a variety of those. I'm going to be using some gold ribbon to attach those, and also hot glue.
Hello friends! Do you love my hat, my little steampunk hat? Well, I'm wearing it in honor of the steampunk ornaments that we created. I'm very excited about them. I think they turned out really well. I'll just hold one up here. So they were kind of an ugly gold ornament, if you remember, and you watched me put the black craft paint on there. It was flat and I really wanted to have some shine to it, so I covered it with a glossy coating. It's not a thick gloss, it's a very thin gloss actually, but it puts a little shine in, which is, I love that. And then I used ultra fine glitter and put that over top. And then I used like a little, just a little steampunk ornament thing here. And I think they turned out great. Here's one of them close up. I also took photos that I will share with you guys. If your ornaments are old, or they're not the color that you'd like, and I have finished up I'm really glad that you joined me. And if you have any questions, please let me know. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to go on more crafting adventures with me, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Thanks for watching.